Congratulations on your accepted offer. Raise a glass, but we also have work to do to set up this loan that we've been talking about. Now, the loan process has two parts to it, and the first is numbers and loan stuff. And now that we have your sales agreement, we can firm up your down payment and your monthly payment and your interest rate, closing costs, and all those other important details. But then it's time to execute and take care of all the paperwork and logistics to make sure that the magic happens and the money that you're borrowing gets to the closing on time. So follow our lead, and together we'll make your home process as simple and stress-free as possible. Speaking of which, I have 3 quick but important tasks that I'd like to ask you to do. The first is add workshop team at rate.com to your address book so that our updates don't wind up lost in your spam folder or somewhere else. Next, complete our kickoff survey. There's a link to that below. And then finally, schedule your kickoff call. Look for an email inviting you to schedule a time to talk about the next steps and firm up numbers. And unless there's some reason to hold off, get your interest rate locked in. If a link to an email led you to this video, you can just go back to that email, click the other link to schedule the call, or if you prefer a video chat. We are going to guide you through the process every step of the way. However, if the suspense is killing you and you want an overview, click here if you're watching this video on YouTube, or if you're on our website, scroll down and watch my 7-minute overview of the loan process from start to finish. But please don't get distracted and forget to complete the survey and schedule your kickoff call. Because as a wise man once said, well begun is half done. So let's set ourselves up for success and get the ball rolling quickly and efficiently. We are super excited to be along for the ride. Congratulations again, and here we go.